how to get promo codes for Upwork on Connects. So first things first is open up any reliable or your preferred web browser that you can use on your end. On this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now when it comes to voucher codes, discounts, and promo codes, my always go-to website is actually couponchief.com. Coupon Chief actually provides free codes as long as you'll have to go ahead and check those specific description of the codes that you're using if those are valid or not. And here just simply type in Upwork, and then you'll be redirected to options like on this one. So as you can see, there are multiple options here, or there are options to get deals. If you go ahead and scroll down a bit, you could also actually see the specific percentage amount which has already been expired. However, there are some specific codes that is indicated as expired, but it still actually works. So just simply hit on get promo code and paste it in your purchase cart on Upwork. That is how you get promo codes on Upwork on Connects.